Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you why did I purchase this Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 3 quad core laptop, and this is currently Lenovo laptop, which is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 with AMD Radeon graphics, IdeaPad Slim 1 5625U laptop. Okay, and currently I purchased another laptop from Acer Aspire, which is this one. Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 3 quad core 5300U 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD with Windows 11 operating system. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, and the price, I got this laptop for 25,640 rupees change. Okay, and during the sale I purchased this, and currently now it is showing like 28,000 nearly. Maybe these prices will vary from time to time. You need to check it on the mobile Flipkart app, as this is on the desktop. And this laptop is for one of the employee, one of the other user has purchased this. So this we are going to receive by October 3rd. So as soon as I receive this, I'll unbox this and show you all the details. And for now, I'll be telling you why did I buy this, means why the user has chosen this laptop especially. And see here, along with the laptop, Rongan Hammer unisex bag with rain cover. Okay, so for the laptop purpose only he purchased this bag also, along with the wireless mouse from Gbronics, and everything will unbox. And all I'll be posting in the description or the first comment, in the pinned comment. You can check for the unboxing of this laptop and everything. And see here, at this price range, means the user got this for 25,000, which is a very best deal. The main purpose of user buying this laptop is Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 3 quad core 5300U laptop is he wants to do the video editing purpose. So he wants any laptop under the budget of 30,000 with 16GB of RAM. So under the 30,000 budget, 16GB combination and 512GB SSD is rare. Very few laptops has this price range. So the first requirement is 16GB laptop, which has successfully available here on this Acer Aspire, and 512 SSD and Windows 11. So an AMD Ryzen laptop with pre-installed graphic card, that is what the user is expecting. And it got 4.2 rating, and few of the users already purchased and rated decently good enough. And but remember one thing, there is no MS Office included in this laptop. You need to make sure. For students who are looking for academic purpose, this laptop will lack that MS Office feature. So if you really need PowerPoint or MS Excel or MS Word, then this may not be the choice. But one who prefers good multitasking, video editing, or this for the entertainment purpose, or programming, light programming, all these things you can do with this laptop. Anyway, once we receive this laptop, we'll check the programming test by installing Java and some emulators, and we'll check the rendering things, and lightweight games to medium weight games. We'll test it. And please do comment what are the tests you want to do. We'll do the battery test on this laptop. And remember, there is no backlit keyboard for this, because at this price range, 16GB of RAM is very good. Remember, once again, the user got this for 25,000, actually 25,000. So at 25,000 range, this laptop is really a very good deal. And RAM type is also DDR4, which is very good deal. Almost it is very fast, and clock speed is up to 3.8 GHz. Graphic card, as I said, AMD Radeon graphics, and this laptop is also AMD Radeon graphics, which is of 2GB. Okay, I did gaming test also on this laptop. If you want that video also, I'll be posting in the description. Yeah. Display type, they didn't mention whether it is TN or IPS. I assume this would be definitely the TN display, that you need to just keep in mind. Okay, maybe if possible I'll be just checking in the Google. Okay, maybe if I can find a link for the Acer website, official Acer store. See here, store.com, acer.com, and here the display also TFT LCD. Okay, not IPS. Okay, this is TFT LCD. Because the price is a bit less, so TFT LCD is fine. We need to check the battery performance, battery backup time, and everything. Once we receive this laptop, will update you. And for now the user is pretty much satisfied, as he got that laptop for 25,000. And please do comment if anyone else are looking for this laptop, Acer Aspire Lite AMD laptops. If anyone are already using this laptop, please do post your opinions or the reviews in the comments, so that it would be helpful for others who are looking to buy similar sort of laptops.